Hey, welcome to Power. It's Jonathan Budd and
Jim Bunch.
And we're so excited that you guys just made the decision, or you just made the decision to join Power on our incredible mission to accelerate the adoption of sustainable energy worldwide. If it was going to take 10 years for the nation to go solar, because you exist, it's going to take 5. And that's why we're so excited you're here. We're so excited for the videos you're about to watch, for this journey to begin with for you. You have made an incredible decision to put yourself at the forefront of sustainable energy, and it's only just begun.
What's great about this is everything that you need to know, you're going to learn in this next series of videos to help you create the highest impact and income by spreading clean energy across the world. So yes, we have an exciting vision. We have an incredible mission. We've got a world-class team, which now includes you, and we're super excited to help you create the life of your dreams while we panel the planet and bring clean energy to the world.
So let's get started. One of the first things that we want you to do is get connected with us on Facebook. There's so many energized, enlivened, passionate, educated powerpreneurs in our Facebook community. So click the button below this video. Come get connected with us on Facebook. We're always posting cool new things that are happening, news, calls, announcements, wins on the team, everything under the sun. So come get connected with us on Facebook. And
well, you'll see us in there, but when you get there to Facebook, make sure that you share where you live and why you joined Power, right? So what is it that has you so excited about this game-changing mission that we're on? So this is a place that we use to stay connected, to share wins, stay updated on contests and everything like that. So that's step number 1. And as soon as you're done with that, join us for video number 2 to help you launch your business in Power style.
Thanks again for being here. We're so happy that you joined us on this journey, and let's go have some fun and change the world. Bye for now.